Hello. Hi everyone. Today we're going to continue with the HCIA-Storage course. Previously we talked about concepts like data information, data storage, and the development of our storage technology, which mainly includes our media, architecture, and so on. Next, let's take a look at the development trends of storage products. What we've mainly introduced before is the history, but now we need to look forward towards the future. History is in the past, and what's most important for us is how to develop in the future. We need to understand which direction storage will take in the future, or what areas we should focus on for future storage. This is something we need to know and understand. So first, let's take a look. One of the development trends of storage products here is the media architecture management. On the left side, which I've already introduced a lot about earlier. This part mainly includes some content, starting with the first aspect, which is the media. Disk, flash, memory, including our solid-state drives and so on. This is currently quite commonly used. Of course, nowadays, aside from long-term storage, the use of mechanical drives in other applications has become quite rare, meaning their usage is gradually decreasing. Solid-state drives and flash memory, including the memory and storage devices, are gradually increasing. So the first trend is what we want. We want speed. One important point here is that our future trend is towards flash memory. What does flash memory mean? It means that we've talked about the speed of flash memory before, right? It's basically close to that of memory. It's pretty much on par with memory. But what's its main drawback? Its main drawback is that it's a bit small. Well, its total storage capacity is a bit small. However, as time goes by, no matter what kind of disk we use, its storage capacity will definitely increase. Well, let's compare it to a mechanical disk or solid-state disk, right? At the beginning. A few megabytes to tens of megabytes, and now we're talking about several terabytes, even tens of terabytes. So, in the future, the size of flash storage will gradually increase, and on top of that, its speed is very fast. Therefore, it will actually become a major trend. What's the second trend at the architectural level? We're moving from one device to two, right? Then to multiple devices, to disk arrays, to network storage, and then to centralized and distributed systems. In the future, distributed systems are one aspect, but the main trend lies in virtualized storage and cloud storage. At the bottom layer, it's generally virtualized storage. Then, after we add a management platform, overall, what we have is a cloud storage system. This is a trend in architecture. So these are the two main trends. Actually, what we've talked about earlier, right? Whether it's the media or the architecture. Looking at its history, the overall trend is that first, it's getting faster. More and more reliable, more and more secure. This is our overall trend. Then, the third trend, which we actually did not go into before and did not talk about too much, is a management issue. Early. It must be manual operation and maintenance, right? According to the machine management of our hard disk, the management of some of our different servers, it must be all manual, pure manual. Now, actually, the areas where manual work is involved are gradually decreasing. And what is replacing it? It's automation. We're using automation to manage all of our storage content, including the follow-up. There may be something else. Well, it's hard to say, right? In the past 2 years, AI has developed quite well. In the future, there may be something else that AI may join us. In storage, using AI to help us manage is also a possibility. Overall, the trend is towards intelligence. So how can we achieve this intelligence? Well, it's inevitable that AI will be added in the future because AI's processing capability is actually faster than that of humans. And its reaction speed is also quicker. Additionally, its knowledge base is generally higher than that of humans. However, of course, the main drawback of AI right now is that it's still not flexible enough. Last year, AI was still not flexible enough. When faced with certain problems, its judgments are still not accurate enough. But overall, it's already quite excellent. As time goes on, the future of intelligent storage will definitely involve the integration of AI. This is the development history of our overall storage products. Next, let's take a look. Let's review a century ago. we had our first industrial revolution. Why am I bringing this up? The first industrial revolution refers to the industrial revolution of the steam age. At that time, it was really all about the steam train, shown in the picture. It was powered by human effort, right? It transitioned to steam power. Then, the second industrial revolution introduced electricity, an electrical industrial revolution. The third one, well, that started in the last century, the information industrial revolution, the information age that began in the last century. These three revolutions have obviously already passed. Now, our focus for the future is really on what? It's on the fourth industrial revolution, which is our intelligent age. When it comes to the smart ecosystem, there is actually quite a lot of content included. It's really about the intelligent age. Here, it actually encompasses all industries. Every industry will definitely enter this trend of intelligence in the future, whether it's industry, agriculture, the service sector, and so on. They're all the same in this regard. So here, our main focus is on one thing. What does the technology include? Cloud computing and AI. The internet, big data, and the Internet of Things, AG, are major areas of our future. Some major technical fields in the intelligent era. Of course, all of these contents must be learned here. This is actually not very realistic, but if you at least master one or two of them, you will be able to gain a firm foothold in the future intelligent era more conveniently. This is a major feature of our intelligent era, including some subsequent service extensions, networked, collaborative, intelligent production, and so on. Personalized customization is actually a part of the intelligent era. Intelligence is actually based on intelligence. Intelligence must involve AI, and it is very likely that AI will be the dominant force in the future. It will control our other technologies, such as cloud computing, internet, big data, and the Internet of Things. Together, data and intelligence make up this intelligent era, which is our fourth industrial revolution. Well, this has already started because AI has developed very rapidly in the past 2 years. How should I put it? Basically, 2 years ago, AI was still used quite infrequently, right? From my experience, in just these 2 years, starting from the first half of 2023 to now, the first half of 2025, AI has completely changed our lives. Our work and life have basically undergone some tremendous changes, you could say. So this is actually maybe in another year or two. AI can help us humans deal with these storage issues, right? Or with cloud computing, or other technical problems. Right now, we're mainly we can use AI to handle some simple queries, but when it comes to more complex issues, its analytical capabilities are still limited, really. Its analytical ability is still quite restricted. But it's hard to say what will happen in a year. So this is the situation. The intelligent age is a major trend for the future. And our storage solutions will also need to undergo some changes, or meet certain requirements in this era. So, everyone should mainly understand which direction we need to develop in. First of all, we need to ensure that our business operates continuously, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Microsecond level latency. High-speed processing with microsecond level latency and EB level capacity. And ultimately, a significant reduction in costs also improves efficiency. Cool. And this is actually the trend for our future. Right now, many things are still on the left side. And of course, some have already seen some improvements. For example, the high failure rate of hard drives and the long RAID reconstruction times. These issues are gradually being addressed as we move towards the future. This is a basic requirement for our data storage in our intelligent era. The problems on the left are actually some of the main storage errors and some unexpected situations that we often encounter. Development, right? That's our goal. The goal must be long-term. This is our future objective. Once we achieve these 4 points, our storage will officially be integrated into the intelligent age. That's what we have. The future of storage, the future of storage is bright. Well, that's it for today's lesson. If anyone wants to learn about Huawei certification technology or wants to get Huawei certification question banks, please feel free to message me. You can also leave comments below for technical discussions. Alright, that's all for today. Bye everyone.